Thanks, Lisa. Thank you to the presenters. I thought those were fantastic and fascinating sets of findings and some really exciting findings probably to come with some RCTs in the sector that I think we all know that there are missing results to show. So my name's Sinem. I'm representative from Mack UK today. Mack UK are a youth mental health charity who take what they know works in clinics out into the streets to make them more accessible to young people who have unmet mental health needs. And that's very much from the premise that 1 in 3 young people at the time of their offence are known to have an unmet mental health need. And that really positions serious youth violence and offending very much in the ballpark of a public health issue that we need to very much accept and treat as such. So what Mack UK does is take trained clinical psychologists and marry them with youth workers out on the streets to work with young people that are known to be involved in gangs or involved in youth violence in their communities or antisocial behaviour or otherwise. And they co-produce solutions to accessing mental health services with young people themselves. So very much acknowledging that there's barriers to accessing mental health services for young people around stigma, logistics, referrals and waiting times, perhaps even an awareness that some of the difficulties they might be going through in terms of emotional regulation are even mental health issues at all. And so the solutions that young people come up with in partnership with clinicians and youth workers is to come up with models that involve peer referral, peer work, access to well-being discussions, lifestyle discussions that are on the periphery or very much at the heart about mental health. And a big part of what Mack UK intends to do is to partner with existing and mainstream service providers to operate as a bridge for young people to access on a larger scale the professional services that they need beyond their involvement with Mack UK. So that's a very short taster of what happens at Mack UK, and I'd be happy to talk to anyone about that afterwards.